Hi there! Let's integrate your Facebook account with AgentRoof CRM. Let's get started. Open your browser and go to web.crm.agentroof.com. Log in with your username and password to access your AgentRoof CRM account. Once you're logged in, look for the menu option on the left side of your screen. Click on Integration from the menu options. Click on the Add New button from the top right corner of the integration page. Log in to your Facebook account to connect the page. After logging in, click on the Allow button. Click on the Continue as Account Holder's Name button. Choose the Facebook page you want to connect to AgentRoof CRM. Make sure to turn on all access for AgentRoof CRM to ensure full integration. Once you've enabled all the access, it will link your account. Click on OK to confirm your selection. Your Facebook page name will now show up in the CRM, confirming that the page is linked correctly. Finally, click on Activate to complete the integration. And that's it. Your Facebook page is now integrated with the CRM. You're all set. If you have any questions or need further assistance, feel free to reach out to our support team.